Hello, friends. Yes, my hair is a different color. 2020 has like all the crazy going on. Just needed a change. Just needed something. I usually dye my hair a little bit darker than my natural hair color. It's like a real light brown, but I like it normally dark. But I was just like, let's just do something crazy. Let's just do something crazy. It started by an accident where I got the wrong color and it turned a little red. And then I was like, well, maybe I'll just do a different color. Anyway, it was red for a few weeks. Now it's blonde. Anyway, let's talk about the house. Oh my gosh, okay. So as you can see from the pictures, the siding is up. The metal siding is on. That's exciting. That's exciting news. We have just a little bit left to finish up. We had some kind of crazy kind of weather and different things, and then I was sick for a week, and not the pandemic. I had 2 tests, and it was negative. It was just probably the flu or something, but I was sick. More of a stomach issue. But anyway, I was not well for a week, so even though Jacob does most of the work, let's be honest, apparently I am needed for moral support because nothing got done while I was sick. That's okay. That's okay. But I will take you around and show you kind of what has happened and what I'm doing today to prepare for inside work. Okay, so here's a look inside. You can see my last video. You can see kind of if you want like a tour of what all the rooms are. So we are preparing to, sorry, that light is like kind of crazy, the backlight. We'll just go over here somewhere. We are preparing to start work inside. So as the siding gets finished in the next day or so, we will be transitioning to working inside. So in the last few days, we've done a few things. I went and bought all the things apparently at Lowe's, and that's one of the things I'm actually doing today, is I brought over a table, and I have another one of these tables. I've got to find it. I don't know what I did with it. I think it may be in the basement. But anyway, I'm going to set up 2 stations, basically talking hand. 2 stations. I'm going to set up a tools station. And so basically anything that is our tools related and things will go up on that kind of station. And then we will have a station of items, like basically like things that need to be installed. I can show you a few of that kind of thing here. We got our outside lights. This is for the front door, and these are for the 2 back doors. We have, let's see, what do we have? We have some recessed lighting in here. These were like a great, these were like on a super clearance at Lowe's. We have a few more things. These are all of like the electrical supplies and things that we have left over. Jacob has went in and installed all of the light switch boxes and all of the outlets. There'll be lots of outlets in each of the rooms. Here are some more different things that we have purchased, some of the vanities. Oh my gosh, it's dark in here. We don't have electricity. We have electricity to like it's outside. Like we don't have it ran inside yet. There's the breaker box. We'll have electricity. We do have power at the location though. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, these were on clearance, guys. I think they were originally $20 a piece, and I got them for like $3.99 at Lowe's. Oh my gosh, they only had 3, so only one of the bathrooms will have these. I'll have to get some different globes. But anyway, I did get some vanity lights. Those were on sale. I don't know if we'll end up using these wall sconces, but they were on sale for like $1. I think they were like $1.27. And I'm like, yes, please. We plan on building more houses. There's just some safety glasses and some masks because, you know, safety first, right? So anyway, that's a Erin that Jacob bought. So Jacob has the breaker box installed. I think that's what came in. These is like a whole bunch of those blue electrical outlets. I don't know how many outlets he thought we needed, but you can't have too many, right? So that's kind of where we're at. We just have a lot of things. I came in a couple weeks ago and cleaned everything out of the house that was kind of building supplies that we had from transitioning when we were outside and different things. But it's starting to kind of pile up all of the supplies and things, and just to keep things a lot neater, a lot more organized, and just easier to find. That's why I'm going to set up the workstation, so we'll have everything that is like tools and things that we're leaving here, and then we'll have another like little area that has all of the things that needs to be installed. So as we're doing each room, we can install whatever needs to be installed there. I think that is about it. I can kind of take you back to the back of the house and show you the siding out back out here. I think we had our patio doors when I showed you it before, I think. But anyway, these are beautiful, beautiful doors. I love that. That is the little outbuilding back there. Love having that little barn. So this is, it looks really zoomed up, but it's just not. We're just kind of close, I guess. This is the house, the color and everything. So we still need to finish up some siding on the side, as you can see there, this side, and the soffit. The soffit has to, if I can figure out where I'm pointing, and the siding. So that is the plan for the next day or two. We live in Missouri, and the weather is crazy here sometimes. There's a kind of a running joke: if you don't like the weather, just wait a few minutes and it'll change. And that has definitely been because it is 81 today. 81. It is going to be warm, so we're going to be over here working. But next Tuesday, I think it is, they're calling for snow. Ice and snow. So we want to finish the outside. So anything outside we want to be done with before this first big, it's not our first frost. We actually had a frost earlier last week, but this will be our first like snowfall. Sometimes we don't get any snowfall until January, and then we've had several years where we've had snow on the ground at Halloween. You just never know in Missouri. So that is that. So that's what we're going to be doing. We just want to get everything prepared so that we can work indoors. That was our goal, was before bad weather, was to get the building dried in. And so that's where we're there, right? We just have to finish the siding, and then Jacob needs to run all of the wiring so that we can get it insulated. Once that happens, sheetrock, and so forth and so forth. But we also need to make some decisions about the kitchen, because we had like a little pantry area kind of planned over here. And then, like, it looked okay on paper, like on a floor plan, but then when we really got the walls up and we were kind of measuring, I love the idea of a pantry. I have a pantry, I love it, but I really think in this situation, it's going to really take away countertop space. Like, there's just not going to be much. And I view that equally important. What do you guys think? Countertop space, more countertop space, or a pantry? We're still going to have a lot of cabinets either way. We won't have as many cabinets as if we have a pantry, because we'll have the pantry. Tell me in the comments below, what do you think is more important? More like a pantry or more countertop space? Let me know. Okay, so that is where we are. Yeah, but we just have a lot of random things. Here are all of, where are they? I don't know, I can't find it. Oh, there it is. The doorknobs, again, got those at Lowe's for like $6. They were on sale. They were originally like $30-some. So check out your clearance sections, right? And I don't know if I told you last time or not, but some of the outlets that we are putting in are going to be like the smart outlets. They're going to have the USB plugins. So there will be USB plugins in each of the bedrooms, the living room, and I think one in the kitchen. I think that is how we're gonna do those. So I ordered those on Amazon. I can link them if you're interested, but I think those will be nice. So anyway, guys, I just want to give you a quick house update, hair update, well, all the things, right? Everything is going great. We are just busy. We're just busy building and things, and I thought I would have more time to share with you, and haven't really happened, has it? So anyway, guys, I will see you guys soon, I hope.